If you've lost access to your ZoogVPN account and don't have your phone number available for recovery, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process. Step 1. Visit the ZoogVPN website. Go to the official ZoogVPN website using your preferred web browser. Look for the login section to begin the account recovery process. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROT to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Enter your email address. Provide the email address associated with your ZoogVPN account in the designated field. Make sure to double-check the spelling to ensure that the recovery email is sent to the correct address. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your email address, check your inbox for a password reset email from ZoogVPN. If you don't see it, be sure to check your spam or junk folder as well. Step 5. Follow the instructions in the email. Open the email and follow the instructions provided to reset your password. Create a new password that is strong and secure, then use it to log into your ZoogVPN account. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider reaching out to ZoogVPN's customer support for further assistance.